Hey, you. Yes, you. If you're listening to this, I want to take a moment to acknowledge something important. You're here. You showed up, and sometimes showing up is the hardest part. Whether you're lying in bed, going for a walk, or just trying to get through your day, this message is for you. And I want you to hear me clearly. You're not weak, you're not broken, you're not lost. You are a fighter. And this is your reminder that you are stronger than you think. Let's talk about the biggest lie we are told. The one the world whispers into our ears when no one is watching. The lie that says, you're not good enough, you'll never make it, you're too late, you've failed too many times. And believe it, we start to carry that voice around like it belongs to us, like it's the truth. But hey, it's not. That voice comes from fear, from doubt, from years of being told what we can't do. But what if I told you that the real you, the authentic, capable, resilient you, has just been buried, not destroyed, not erased, just covered up by layers of pain, rejection, fear, and silence? And the reason you feel stuck isn't because you're weak, it's because you're carrying too much that was never yours to begin with. I know what it's like to feel like life keeps knocking you down, to feel like every time you stand up, the world finds another way to test you. But I want you to understand something. The storm is not the enemy. The storm is part of the journey. Growth does not happen in comfort. Diamonds, are made under pressure, right? Muscles are built through resistance. And strength, real unshakable strength, is forged in struggle. You may not realize it now, but everything you have gone through, every moment you thought would break you, every tear, every failure, every sleepless night has built you. Pain is not the end. Pain is beginning of transformation. There's a version of you that you haven't even met yet. A version that's powerful, confident, focused, and free. And they are not some fantasy. They are already inside of you, waiting to be uncovered. But hey, here's the truth. No one is coming to save you. And that's not a reason to feel hopeless. That is the most empowering realization you can have. Because it means you have the power. You don't have to wait for perfect timing. You don't need to be ready. You don't need permission. The moment you decide to stop letting fear dictate your future, that's the moment your life begins to change. You've already survived your hardest days. You've made it this far. That alone means you are equipped to rise higher than you have ever imagined. Let's talk about something most motivational videos don't say. Motivation isn't enough. There will be days you don't feel like doing anything. Days where you are tired, defeated, numb, and that's okay. Because greatness isn't built in motivation. Greatness is built in discipline, in showing up when it's actually hard, in taking small steps even when no one is watching. Consistency is more powerful than talent. Commitment is more powerful than inspiration. It's not about being perfect, it's about being relentless. Let's do one thing today, just one, that pushes you forward. And then do it again tomorrow. That's how mountains are moved, one step at a time. Now, I want you to ask yourself something. Whose voice are you listening to? Because the story you believe about yourself will shape the life you live. If you keep repeating the story of your past, you will stay in the past. Priyanka Chopra once said she doesn't read her book backwards. Correct, right? You are not your failures. You're not your trauma. You are not what they say about you. You are who you decide to become. So let's rewrite the narrative. Instead of saying I'm broken, say I am rebuilding. Instead of I can't, say I'm learning how. Instead of saying I have failed too many times, say if every failure brought me closer. You are the author, and it's time to take that pen back. Hey, if nobody told you today, let me be the first. I am proud of you for holding on, for trying again, for refusing to quit. You were not born to just survive. You were born to rise, to heal, to lead, to inspire. Your story matters, your presence matters, your life matters, and every step you take, no matter how small, is proof you are still in the fight. So keep going, keep believing, and no matter how dark it gets, remember, you are stronger than you think.